Yes, what would you like for deli meat? Is this thin enough for you?
Shut up, bitch. Pick a number. So next all I gotta do is the airbox. Now the airbox had a little flap on the back that fell apart. I got a new one from UFO. The old one I had was a Chirby's. We're gonna do this new white one now. I think it's gonna look clean. So, didn't come with screws, but I saved the screws from the last time. The flap comes in here like so, and you've got 2 screws that go right into the plastic. So let's put these in here now. I gotta take the subframe off to put the airbox in, which is a step backwards, but I've done. After we do this, I got myself, which was actually the first thing I bought for the bike as a rebuild, which was a pre-oiled air filter. This one happens to be Pro Filters, already pre-lubed with oil, perfect. Usually I buy unis, and I get uni. Usually I get uni filters, but I didn't get uni this time, so I have that. Also, to mount the airbox, you have the screw inside. Of course, I gotta modify everything, right? So I'm getting rid of the old stock wing nut, and putting on a red tusk one. Another tusk mod, another red mod. This one you're not gonna see, but just knowing that it's in the bike is all right by me. Pop open our filter. Ooh. Well, isn't that nice? Bag sealed. Tell me they give you little gloves. They don't make it easy. What this? What this? Wow, they give you little gloves. That's kind of cool. It is oiled.
Yes, what would you like for deli meat? Is this thin enough for you?
Shut up, bitch. Pick a number. I hate that. All right, pre-oiled. Get ourselves our cage. Filter cage goes in here. Filter. Cage is in. Right up in the corners. This goes through here. And in fashion, angled with the thing. Gets stuffed inside and screwed in. Going in blind. I think I got it. Oh, I got it. Filters in. Gloves coming off. Okay. I gotta find the filter screws now. Oh, for the fuck's sake. Oh. Okay. 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 Fuck me. Just. You. I didn't get enough sleep or something. Maybe it's just karma kicking my ass. Where's my 10 mil, you fucker? You fuck. The fuck out. I'm losing my goddamn patience. 10, 12, 11, they're all gone. Coolant, oil, fuel, exhaust. Let's do the exhaust next. Now this exhaust is shot. I'm gonna get a new one, but I really want to get this bike going, so I'm gonna put it back on. Upper exhaust bolt, upper and lower exhaust side bolt, upper fatty mount bolt, and upper frame holder. Give it a quick Brillo pad once over. Now, I saved the exhaust gasket. It's pretty shot. When the new pipes come, they'll have it in there. I put the gasket on the exhaust piece. I wiggled the fatty up as best I could. Now I'm gonna do a mount. Which is here. Follows this curvature. The long boy goes into that bolt there. And then the fat daddy goes right here. Okay. And then this guy goes here. Yeah, tighten that up in a minute. Okay. Alrighty. Tighten everything up. Alright. Woo! Next up, coolant, oil, fuel, and a heat cycle. Oh my gosh, we are one step closer right there. I can't believe this is starting to turn out like a dirt bike, alright? Y'all have a good one. That's it for today. I'm spent. It's been days and days. But we'll catch you on the flip side. Next episode, fill her up, fire her up. Peace!